Teacher Machiko here, and Monster. How are you today? We're great, thank you. In this video, I want to practice the farm animal names and their sounds. So, Monster, I will say the animal name. Can you tell the animal sound?
Sure.
Thank you. Let's start. What's this? Pig. Monster, what does a pig say?
Oink, oink.
That's right. Oink, oink. Say. Next. Duck. What does a duck say?
Quack, quack.
Yes. Quack, quack. Say. Next. Horse. What does a horse say? That's right. Neigh, neigh. Say. Next. Sheep. What does a sheep say? That's right. Ba, ba. Say. Next. Cow. What does a cow say?
Moo, moo.
That's right. Moo, moo. Good job. Last, rooster. What does a rooster say? That's right. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Say. Excellent. Oh, last, farmer. What does a farmer say?
I'm not sure.
I know. A farmer says E-I-E-I-O.
Hey, I know that song.
Yeah. Do you know that song?
Yes, yes.
Why don't we sing it together? Old McDonald had a farm.
Yes, I want.
All right. 1, 2. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a mo-mo here and a mo-mo there, here a mo, there a mo, everywhere a mo-mo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle here and a cock-a-doodle there, here a cock-a, there a cock-a, everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Yay, we did it! I hope you enjoyed learning the farm animal names and the farm animal sounds. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. See you! Bye-bye!